Hello everyone, Math Fairy here with a challenge for you. This is an estimation challenge. So you're going to need a pencil, paper, and something to write with, okay? I have my kids here because they're going to try this estimation challenge with us, okay? All right, here we go. We have a picture that we're going to look at here. We have a picture of, what is it, guys?
Yeah, what is it?
What are those?
Not one.
No, over here.
Oh, gummy bears.
No, they're not gummy bears.
I know, airplane.
They're just airplanes. They're plastic airplanes. So these plastic airplanes, you're trying to figure out how many plastic airplanes do you think are in there? Do you think there's just one?
No.
No. I mean, there's definitely more than one.
Like 100.
You think 100 in here?
120.
120. Okay, you're looking at this chart over here and you're picking the biggest number on it. Okay. For you guys, you might not have a chart with you, but you can write down this will help you. You can write down all the numbers up to the number that you're choosing. Ari's going to choose 120 in this cup. He think 120 airplanes in that cup. Okay. So that's going to be our first estimate. We're going to go with 120. There it is. Okay. I'm going to give you a clue. Okay, guys? Your first clue is the answer is an odd number. So it is part of this pattern. So if it's an odd number, it even gave you a little hint. It said it has to be one of the numbers in that pattern. 1, 3, 5, 7, and keep going. So if I were to highlight those numbers in the chart, 1 is odd, 3 is odd, 5 is odd, 7 is odd, 9 is odd, and I keep going. Do you see how we're just kind of skipping one? And these are all the odd numbers. Now, instead of just going like this, you might see the pattern and just say, well, just highlight down this way, highlight down this way. So all the highlighted numbers, this could potentially be how many airplanes there are. So guess what? Ari, his first estimate, he's going to make a change because 120 was not an odd number. Okay, 120 is an even number. It ends with a 0. So we're going to pick something else. So I bet he had to walk away for a moment. So let's say he just went down to this number. What number is that? 119. You might be picking a different number because you might be saying, I think that's way too much. But here we go. All right, make sure your estimate is odd now. All right, here we go. Clue number 2. The answer does not include the digit 5. So if you have a digit 5, digit 5, 5, digit 5, you don't want a digit 5. No, 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 no. It's not going to be the solution. So let's see here. Anything with a 5, I'm going to cross it out. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. Okay, just anything in here. We don't want it. Okay. Do you see anything else with a 5? Oh, yeah, there is one more number out there that has a 5. You know what it is? Oh, wait, not just one more number. There are quite a few more numbers. All the numbers in the 50s. Okay, so all the numbers in the 50s are gone. So that means Ari's number here will still stay because it does not have a digit of 5. It has a 1, and a 9. Okay? All right, make sure yours doesn't have a 5. All right, here we go. Onward. Clue number 3, and there are 4 clues total. Clue number 3. The answer includes the digit 1. Oh, so does it have 1 in the answer? Yes, it does. It has 1 in the answer. So that means it could be 1. Could it be 2? No, because it doesn't have a 1 in it. Couldn't be that. Couldn't be that. Okay, it has to have 1. So I'm going to make it purple. Highlighter. I'm going to highlight blue. Now I'm going to go blue. Okay, it could be 1, but now it's turning green because it's over the yellow. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Those all have 1s. Oh, 21 has a 1, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91, 101, 111. Okay, all the hundreds have a 1. Okay. But remember, it has to be odd. So, does yours have a 1? If not, adjust. Pick a different number and make sure that it follows all the clues. Is it odd? Does it have a 1? And make sure it doesn't have a 5. Ari's number 119 is still worse. I'm still thinking it might be a little much. Okay, going clue number 4. Clue number 4. The answer is between 40 and 70. Oh man, that's a big clue. So, what am I going to be crossing off here? It has to be between 40 and 70. So here's 40. And here's 70. Let me move myself. Here's 70. And it has to be in between that. So could it be 39? No. 38? No. It can't be any of these up here. No, 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 no. And it can't be anything bigger than 70. So none of these down here. Uh-oh, Ari. 119 is gone out the window. So he's still not back. So I am going to pick something that is between 40 and 70, that has a 1 in it, that I'm going to write these down. So it's between 40 and 70. So does that mean it can be 40? What do you think? I'm not going to go with 40. Could it be 41? Yes. I'm going to write down the numbers it could be. It could be 41. Could it be 42? No, that's not odd. 43? Yeah, that's odd. So it could be 43. Could it be any other numbers in the 40s? 47? 49? How about the 50s? Oh, good. 50s are gone. It can't be anything in the 50s because that has a 5 in it. Okay, so now I go to the 60s. It could be 61. It could be 63. 65? No, it has a 5. 67 or 69. Oh man, we're down to 8 numbers. I have to make sure. Are these all odd? Yes. Do they all not have a 5? Yep, there are no digits of 5 down there. The answer includes the digit 1. Oh, guys, I forgot about this. Whoops, good thing I reread the clues. It has to include the digit 1. Oh, so all these are gone. So I really am down to just 2 choices. And it's between 40 and 70. Oh, man. So am I going to go with 41 or am I going to go with the odd number 61? They're both odd. They both don't have a 5. They both have a digit of 1. And they're between 40 and 70. You know what? My gut is saying to go with 41. So I'm saying this kind of looks like a 41. Let's see it, guys. Are you ready to see what this number actually is? I never even looked at it yet. So let's see. I'm going to go slideshow. I'm going to go from the current slide. Click to see the answer. Are we ready? Drum roll. There it is. Can you see it? It was, I'll go back. 41 airplanes. That's what it was. There we go. It was 41. Cha-ching. How did you do? Did you get close? Did you make it? Did you actually say 41? Either way, hopefully you picked a number that was odd, that didn't have a 5, that for surely had a 1, and it was between 40 and 70. Thanks for working with me today. Hope you had some fun with the Esty mystery.